Using airline credit Amex Platinum is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You can choose one qualifying airline each calendar year on which to apply for the credit. The list of qualifying airlines include major carriers like Delta, United, American Airlines, and Southwest, as well as international airlines like Emirates, Etihad, and Virgin Atlantic. The airline fee credit can be used for various airline incidental fees, including checked baggage fees, seat selection fees, airport lounge access fees, in-flight food and beverage purchases. Then, change and cancellation fees. When you incur an eligible airline incidental fee, use your Amex Platinum card to pay for it. Ensure the charge is directly made to the airline and not a third-party vendor. The airline fee credit will be automatically applied to your statement within a few days of the charge posting. You will receive a notification about the credit on your online account or statement. You can use the entire $200 credit throughout the year as long as it's applied to eligible charges. Consider checking your airline's website or app for potential fees you might incur and plan accordingly to utilize the credit effectively.